Welcome to 4428 Spencer Street, a 2-bedroom, 2.5-bath, 1691 square foot townhouse in West Torrance. Come inside and have a look with me. This bright and airy home showcases wood flooring and recessed lighting throughout. The spacious living room features soaring ceilings and a cozy electric fireplace. The kitchen is both stylish and functional, appointed with European-style cabinetry and stainless steel appliances. The dining area is accented by an upgraded light fixture. A convenient first-floor powder room is ideal for guests. Upstairs, a desirable dual primary suite layout offers double-door entry bedrooms, each with its own ensuite bathroom. The larger primary suite features multiple closets, a gas fireplace, high ceilings with skylight, and a generous loft perfect for a home office, craft room, or a flex space. The primary bathroom includes a separate walk-in shower and soaking tub, dual sinks, an additional closet, and remote control lighting. The secondary suite offers dual vinyl windows and an attached bathroom with shower and tub. Additional upstairs storage with built-in shelving adds extra convenience. The attached garage provides direct access to the kitchen and includes an automatic garage door opener, storage shelving, ski rack, 220-volt Type 2 EV charger, and washer and dryer. Community amenities include a gated entry, pool, spa, and a beautifully manicured green pathways. Ideally located within close proximity to award-winning Victor Elementary School and West High School, this home offers an exceptional combination of comfort, efficiency, and prime West Torrance living. If you'd like more information about this property, or if you would like a private tour, feel free to reach out to me. My information is below.